Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are just chilling at home and we are about to make some delicious pancakes. What goes better with pancakes than some brown sugar bacon? Let's get into this. Here we've got 6 slices of bacon and about 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. We're just going to pop this into a cold oven and then turn it on to 375 and let it cook until it's crispy. Now let's move on to the pancake batter. In this bowl, I'm mixing up 2 cups of store-bought pancake mix, and I'm adding in 1 cup of toasted coconut almond milk and 1/3 of a cup of extra pulpy orange juice. I mixed this up until it was totally smooth. Now I wanted to turn this pancake batter up a notch, and our amazing realtors Mike and Aaron gifted us with these Girl Scout Lemon Up cookies. I took 6 of them, chopped them up roughly, and then mixed them back into the batter. They also gave us a box of Trefoils. I think I'm saying that right. They're the Girl Scout cookie shortbread cookies. I also took 6 of those, roughly chopped them, and then threw them in the batter also. And dumped in 2 tablespoons of no sugar added applesauce, and that finished off the batter. I then went to my stovetop and I got my skillet out. Put just a little bit of Mazola Corn Oil into the pan, and then I started to fry up some pancakes on about a medium to medium-high heat. I just continued to fry up the pancakes every once in a while, adding a little bit more Mazola Corn Oil.
Look at your little baby pancake. Oh my goodness, what's that with it?
Well, Zena the Glamper Camper really liked her little pancake. Mr. Cameraman thought they were okay, but he wasn't head over heels in love with them. But I was. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. These pancakes are amazing. The Girl Scout cookies go really well together, especially with the orange juice and the applesauce. I am definitely going to be making these pancakes again. Well, we totally devoured this breakfast. And if you liked this video and want to try out this breakfast, please give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy what nature has given us through food. Have a great one.